Good morning, Standard 1. Welcome to your English grammar class. Yes, this is your grammar textbook. As you know, children, we are learning lesson 1 nouns. Nouns, nouns. In nouns, we have already learned what is nouns. Yes, nouns are names of people, place, animal, and things. And we have also studied what is common noun, proper noun, male noun, and female noun. In today's class, we will be learning countable nouns and uncountable nouns. COUNTABLE countable, UNCOUNTABLE uncountable. So, we will be learning countable nouns and uncountable nouns. What is countable nouns? Countable nouns, you can count the number of things. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, there are two examples. Books and dogs. How many books are there? There are 1, 2. 2 books are there. How many dogs are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 dogs are there. So we can count 2 books, 3 dogs. Okay, if there are 5 apples, so you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. So apples are countable nouns. Books are countable nouns. Dogs are countable nouns. Pen, pencil, eraser, whichever things you can count in numbers 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, okay, and so on are called countable nouns. Okay, let's look at the other example of countable nouns. Countable nouns, and I have given example of food items. Okay, look at the first picture. Apples. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 apples are there. Carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carrots are there. Okay. Eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and one is outside the box. So 6 eggs are there. Fries. Fries. We can take out fries from the box and we can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and more. Burgers. There are 1 and 2 burgers. Hot dogs. There are 1, 2, 3 hot dogs. Candies. 1 and 2 candies. Cookies. Cookies we can take out from the box and we can count them. 1 cookie, 2 cookies, 3 cookies, 4 cookies. Last picture is sandwiches. We can count 1 sandwich, 2 sandwich, okay? So these are the example of countable nouns which you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can count in numbers. Now what is uncountable nouns? You cannot count the number of things. These things you cannot count in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, milk. Okay, can we count 1 milk, 2 milk, 3 milk, 4 milk? Salt. Can we count? Give me one. It is a 1 salt, 2 salt, 3 salt, 4 salt. Honey. Can we count? It is a 1 honey, 2 honey, 3 honey, 4 honey. No, we cannot count these milk, salt and honey in numbers. So, milk, salt and honey are countable nouns or uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns because you cannot count the number of these things. Okay? Let's look at some example of uncountable nouns. Bread, cereals, cheese, flour, jam, juice, meat, milk, rice, salt, soup, sugar, tea, water, chocolate bar, butter. Can you count this thing in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? No. So these all are uncountable nouns which you cannot count in numbers. Uncountable nouns. Now on the left side you can see pictures of countable nouns and on the right side you can see pictures of uncountable noun. Let's look at the countable noun first. Eggs, banana, olives, fries, burger, apple, carrots, tomatoes and watermelon. We can count these in numbers, so they are all countable nouns. And on the right side, uncountable nouns are milk, flour, salt, sugar, jam, meat, rice, honey, tea, cheese. So can you count the numbers of milk, flour, sugar, honey, rice, tea, cheese? No, we cannot count the number of these things. So, things you cannot count in numbers are called uncountable nouns. Okay, children? Now, look at one exercise. Put the nouns in proper group. Which are the nouns given? Box, milk, meat, dress, oil, apple, ball, rice, tiger, sugar. And there are two groups given, countable nouns, uncountable nouns. Okay? So, if you look carefully, box, we can count box. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box. So, I have written box in countable noun group. Milk, can we count milk? 1 milk, 2 milk, 3 milk? No. So, I have written it is in uncountable noun group. Okay? Meat, can we count meat? 1 meat, 2 meat, 3 meat? No. So, it will come in uncountable nouns. Dress. Yes, dress we can count. 1 dress, I have 1 dress, 2 dress, 3 dress, 4 dress. So dress is countable. So we will write dress in countable nouns. Oil. Can we count 1 oil, 2 oil, 3 oil? We can count the bottle but we cannot count oil. So oil will come in uncountable noun. Apple. Yes, apple we can count. 1 apple, 2 apple. So it will come in countable noun. Ball. Ball also we can count. 1 ball, 2 ball, 3 ball. Okay. So ball will come in countable nouns. Rice. Can we count 1 rice, 2 rice? Give me 1 rice. Give me 2 rice. No. So rice is uncountable. Tiger. Yes, we can count tiger. 1 tiger, 2 tigers, 3 tigers, 4 tigers. So tiger is countable noun. Last is sugar. Can you tell someone that give me 1 sugar? Or there is 1 sugar, 2 sugar, 3 sugar. We cannot count sugar. So sugar is a uncountable noun. So let's read countable nouns. Which are countable nouns? Box, dress, apple, ball, tiger. Which you can count in numbers. Uncountable nouns. Milk, meat, oil, rice, sugar. Because this thing you cannot count in numbers. Okay? So countable nouns, you can count the number of things. And uncountable nouns, you cannot count the number of things. I hope children you have understood what is countable nouns and what is uncountable nouns. Okay. So you have understood what is countable noun and uncountable nouns. Okay. See you in next class with another topic. Okay. Till that time, take care of yourself and bye-bye.